In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from a Trello board. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by integrating email capabilities directly into your project management tools. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to manage your tasks and communications all in one place, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Trello board. This is where everything will begin. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the board where you want to add email functionality. Trello is a great tool for organizing tasks and projects, and now we're going to enhance it even further. Once you're on your Trello board, locate the menu on the right-hand side and click on Power Ups. Power Ups are Trello's way of integrating additional features and tools into your boards, and they can really extend the functionality of Trello exponentially. After clicking on Power Ups, select Add Power Up to view the available options. Now it's time to find the right tool for sending emails directly from Trello. In the search bar, type email for Trello and look for this particular power up. Once you found it, go ahead and add it to your toolbox. This specific power up will enable you to send emails directly from your Trello cards, allowing you to communicate more efficiently without leaving the board. The next step involves authenticating your email. This means you'll need to provide access to the email account you plan to use, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or another provider. Follow the prompts to log into your email and grant the necessary permissions. This part is crucial because it establishes a secure link between your Trello board and your email account, so double check that the information you're entering is correct. With your email authenticated, navigate to any card on your board. If everything has been set up correctly, you'll see a new button labeled Email. This button is your gateway to sending emails directly from the card itself, making project communication seamless and integrated. Finally, it's time to put it all to use. Click on the email button and you'll be able to compose and send an email just like you would from your regular email client. Fill out the recipient's address, subject line, and your message. Once you're satisfied with the email, hit send. The email will be dispatched directly from Trello, helping you keep everything connected and organized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now send emails from your Trello board with ease. This integration not only simplifies your workflow, but also enhances how efficiently you manage your tasks and communications. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.